We want to start with a simple question. What is the most important process in society? It's the beginning of life, and yet it's the only critical process of humanity that operates without a structured quality system.
Today, birth is treated as a standardized medical event, without personalization, without integrated intelligence, without real continuous monitoring. And this generates profound impacts, physical, emotional, and cognitive, that accompany the human being throughout life. We spend billions correcting what could be optimized at the source.
Now comes the key point. The best birth experiences already exist. Stories of profoundly positive, transformative births, even heightened states of well-being, have always been present throughout human history. The problem was never possibility, it was access and scale. It's like Sugarloaf Mountain in Rio de Janeiro. The view has always been there, but before the cable car, only mountaineers can get there. What changed, instead of the mountain, was the access infrastructure. That's exactly what we're building for birth.
Nascentis is the first operating system for the beginning of life. An ecosystem that integrates specialized artificial intelligence, biofeedback and sensors, continuous remote monitoring, personalized protocols, and physical devices that support the pregnant woman's experience. At the heart of it all, we have the midwife AI, which accompanies, learns, and adapts in real time. The result? We transformed a rare experience into something replicable, measurable, and scalable.
Our proposal is much more than an app and far beyond an isolated device. We're talking about a complete ecosystem: intelligent profile of the pregnant woman, continuous monitoring, global network of perinatal data, infrastructure for birthing centers and clinics. It's technology, biology, and human experience working as a single system.
The global maternity market exceeds $300 billion, and it is being transformed by three forces: personalization, preventative health, and more conscious human experiences. Nascentis is exactly at the intersection of these three waves.
And here's the tipping point. When the first extraordinary experiences start to be shared, instead of growing linearly, it grows through social proof. Other women will want it. Clinics will adapt. The entire market repositions itself. Demand starts driving the transformation.
Our model combines SaaS with perinatal intelligence, sale and licensing of devices, partnerships with clinics and birthing centers, and therapeutic tourism, with an average ticket price between $3,000 and $15,000 and a high margin for scalability.
Integrated ecosystem. Difficult to copy. Exclusive perinatal database. Qualified AI in perinatal care. Global network effect.
In the short term, we validate and scale. In the medium term, we expand globally. In the long term, we define a new standard for human birth. We are building a billion-dollar market with a projected valuation between $4.4 and $4.8 billion.
We are creating much more than a healthcare product. We are building the infrastructure that defines how humanity begins. And whoever defines the beginning redefines everything that comes after.